Hello, welcome again to the 12 days of Christmas swap. This is the last day, day 12. As you can see, lots of yummy goodies surrounding me, and I cannot wait to share with you the last project and gift that she sent me, which is this large bag. On that bag, she has a shaker that she created. Well, she also made a beautiful sort of a photo frame with that as well in the last video that you've seen. And this is the baggie from the 12 days of Christmas. So cannot wait to share this one with you as well. Oh, so excited, and thank you so much for tagging along and watching the videos these couple of days. And I hope you are done preparing, or maybe just adding some bits and pieces onto your gifts, and that you are inspired by our swap as well. This is the tag. Beautiful shaker. And that you have lots of inspiration, and that you're ready to create. Oh, you didn't. You made this one? Oh, the carousel box. I loved that project as well. I didn't see how you created it, but now I see how you made it. And it's a stunning die. I love it. Super cute. All these elements with the dangles on the side, and on top goes like this with all the layers. Oh, so beautiful. Wow, love this one as well. And then we will open her up, and she has hooked me up with loads and loads of rosettes. A super beautiful and cute deer. Thank you so much. Now I have two. Thank you. I'll put him here. This is the other one that I got. Oh, and can you see it's filled with lots of rosettes. Thank you for taking your time to create all of these rosettes. I was starting up by creating a stash of rosettes. I only used Maggie Holmes papers for those. I didn't have the time to create the Christmas edition, but now I have, can you see it? I have a whole lot of beautiful elements here, beautiful colors, and they go perfect with the previous items. Oh, I do have something here. They go perfect with these as a cluster. Just perfect. Wow. Thank you so much for taking part of this beautiful swap, and for taking your time to create all of these yummy goodies. And yeah, just to think of what to create. And yeah, I'm blown away by all of your talent and all of your patience to create beautiful elements like these. And especially knowing that you use your dies for these, and I just love it. Thank you so much, Brigitta, again for all of for all of the swap projects that you created, and thank you for all the extra goodies and the gifts, and we will be enjoying them, and I will be sharing pictures, and yeah, then again I will see you all soon, hoping you will have a yeah, healthy and great festive and holiday season, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye bye.